Virgie and Bill's house, Olive Mill Road. That's Olive Mill Road. Mudslide came from here. There's only a small portion of the mud. Our first mud house rebuild. This house had a raised foundation. Does have a raised foundation. This whole cavity space, the entire underside of this house was 100% full of mud. All of this mud in the backyard came from inside the house. And the owner has to get rid of it. So, but good news is, structurally the house held up. We're going to replace some sewer drains. Sewer goes down and out here. Old here, and it's got issues here because we've actually been under this house once upon a time to do repairs. Been working for Bill and Virgie for a good 20 years, 18 to 20 years, I can't recall. So we'll rebuild it in place. That way it won't cost them an arm and a leg. The mud flow came in from this direction, blew out that sliding door, blew out, there used to be a heater closet, came through there. Basically it just came in anywhere it could, over the windows, of course. It was high enough, definitely high enough, over the windows, and filled the house. Okay, off we go.